Review of Eboda Bluetooth Shower Speaker, compact powerhouse for your daily soundtrack. In today's video, we dive into the performance and practicality of the Eboda Bluetooth Shower Speaker, a compact yet surprisingly powerful speaker that's designed to deliver great sound even in the steamiest, splashiest environments, your shower. Let's get right into it. Speaker high-volume design and build quality. At first glance, the Eboda speaker impresses with its rugged, waterproof design and modern aesthetic. It's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, but feels durable, clearly built for wet environments. With its IP67 rating, this speaker is completely waterproof, dustproof, and even floatable, making it perfect not just for the shower but also for the pool, beach, or camping trips. It comes with a sturdy built-in hook and suction cup, so mounting it on tiles or hanging it from a backpack is easy and secure. Plus, the rubberized exterior ensures it can take a drop or two without any damage. Battery life. Battery life is another win. Eboda claims up to 8 hours of continuous playback on a full charge, and in my testing, it came pretty close. With moderate volume, I got around 7.5 hours, enough to last several showers, workouts, or an entire day of use at the beach. Charging is done via micro-USB, and while USB-C would have been more modern, this is forgivable at the budget price point. Musical notes. Sound quality. For a speaker of this size, the sound quality is surprisingly robust. It delivers clear highs, balanced mids, and a decent amount of bass, especially considering the speaker's compact size. While it won't replace a full home audio system, it easily fills a bathroom with rich sound. Vocals are crisp, podcasts sound great, and music playback is smooth without distortion at normal volumes. One of the standout features is the 360 degrees surround sound, which really helps disperse audio evenly, especially in a tiled environment where echoes are common. Rainbow LED light feature. The built-in LED light ring adds a fun element, cycling through various colors in sync with your music. While not a critical feature, it's a nice touch for ambience, especially during evening showers or outdoor gatherings. If you're someone who enjoys a bit of visual flair, this is a bonus. Antenna bars connectivity. Pairing is a breeze thanks to Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which ensures quick connections and a reliable signal. I didn't experience any dropouts or lags within the typical 30-foot range. The speaker also supports TWS, True Wireless Stereo, pairing, allowing you to connect two Eboda speakers for a more immersive stereo experience, perfect for larger spaces or outdoor settings. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. IP67 waterproof and floatable design. Impressive sound for its size. Long battery life, up to 8 hours. Suction cup plus carabiner for flexible mounting. Fun LED lights for added ambience. TWS pairing support. Affordable price point. Crossmark cons. Uses micro USB instead of USB-C. Bass is limited compared to larger speakers. LED lights may not appeal to everyone. Thankfully, they can be turned off. No speakerphone feature for taking calls. SOAP real-world usage, shower test. Of course, we had to put the speaker through a proper shower test. Mounted on the wall with the suction cup, it held firmly throughout a 10-minute hot shower. The audio stayed strong, buttons were responsive even with wet hands, and the Bluetooth connection didn't falter even with the phone in the next room. Afterward, I gave it a quick rinse under running water, and it worked just fine. No hiccups, no muffled audio. Checkered flag. Final verdict. The Eboda Bluetooth shower speaker hits that sweet spot of affordability, portability, and performance. It's not trying to be a Bose or JBL, and that's perfectly okay. For under $30, you're getting a fun, durable, and reliable little device that enhances your shower time, pool parties, or casual outdoor adventures. If you want a budget-friendly Bluetooth speaker that you can literally take anywhere, rain or shine, splash or swim, the Eboda delivers more than expected for the price. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what speaker you'd like me to test next.